Which ordered pair xy satisfies the system of equations shown above? All right. Well, probably the easiest way to go about this is doing substitution. I use what's called the blob method. If one of your equations is already solved for a variable, you circle that and prepare to write the other equation, but replace that variable with the blob. So I'm going to rewrite the bottom equation, changing x into y minus 3 because x is y minus 3 over 2 plus 2y equals 6. I can just probably, I don't know, I'm trying to think of the easiest, simplest way to go about this. It's probably if I just divide these ones individually. I was thinking, do I want to multiply everything by 2? But now I'll just divide by 2 minus 3 over 2 plus 2y equals 6. So I can add 3 over 2 to both sides, add 3 over 2 to both sides, y over 2 plus 2y equals, I have a feeling I'm going to want to deal with decimals, so that's 1.5. 6 plus 1.5 is 7.5. These two guys combine. Now, half a y is 0.5y. 0.5y, or half a y, plus 2y is going to be 2.5y equals 7.5. Now you might see why I want to go with the decimal route. Divide both sides by 2.5, and 7.5 divided by 2.5, think money thoughts, is going to be 3. Y is 3. Which puts me at my answer already. Now let's just have some fun, further drive the point home, and take that 3, plug it into the blob. X equals y, which is now 3, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So, for those of you who are insecure, now we definitely know that B was my answer. I used the blob method. It works just fine.